Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Repairer. Hope you guys all well. Today I am going to show you how to find all available Wi-Fi password using command prompt on Windows 10 PC. So let's start. First of all, now my laptop is connected with this Wi-Fi. Now go to settings. Then click on network or internet. Now go to Wi-Fi menu from the left and click on manage known networks. See the known network list of my laptop. Actually this method is work for only known networks. Now let's go to command prompt. Then go to search menu, type CMD. Right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Now click on yes. See, CMD windows opened. Now here we want to type some command. First command is netsh, netsh space wlan space show space profile. Profile. Then hit enter. Now you can see all known networks are showing in this list. Now if I want to know this particular Wi-Fi network password, then type the following command. The command is netsh space wlan space show space profile and then type the Wi-Fi name. I can copy paste the Wi-Fi name, go to this section and right click once, then it will paste. Now type key is equal to clear, then hit enter. See, here is the Wi-Fi password which I didn't know earlier. Now once I check this Wi-Fi network password which is connected in my laptop, type the same following commands and also copy paste the Wi-Fi name. And then hit enter. See, the password is here. Now we verify once that the password is right or wrong by applying the next method. First of all, go to settings, then click on network and internet. Now click on Wi-Fi option from the left side. Now click the network and sharing center. Now click here in the Wi-Fi name. Now click on wireless properties. Go to security menu. Now check the box of show characters. See, the security key is same, so it's verified. I hope this small tutorial video will help you out. Please don't forget to like this video and do subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.